guys, welcome to day 2 of Cruisin Ocean City, Maryland. I'm Frank, welcome to Bangin Gears. So today's giveaway is going to be this Bangin Gears fleece. I have it in a large size, men's and a women's, so don't worry ladies, I always have you covered. Okay? Don't forget you need to subscribe to the Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on the video to be in the running, and all the winners will be announced in the video next Sunday, the 24th, I believe it is. So sit back, relax, again, stay safe. We'll see you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.
I am off to invisible ground. Don't know when to start. Returning, it's not the way for me. Only a mile to go. Somewhere I belong. I'll see it here and now. Returning is not the